Happy Valentine's Day from the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. Let's get right into the look. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. This is for our simple Valentine's Day sleigh. Let's work that transition color right in. Now let's go in with the second color. I really tried to do a simple look, but I just couldn't stick to it. So we're going to work this second color right up under that first transition color. And now I wanted to brighten it up just a bit. So I went in, none of these shades have names. So I went in with an orange just to kind of brighten it up. And right here is where I was supposed to stop with this kind of burgundy color on the lid. But it just looked too boring and too drab. So I went in and I forgot to show, but this is a lighter color out of the same palette just to kind of brighten it up a bit. Then all I'm doing here is using a crease brush and just kind of darkening up that second transition color that we put right up under that kind of golden color. But now I'm working, this is a deeper color out of the same Jaclyn Hill palette that I kind of wanted to just deepen that outer V just a tad bit. So this is going to do it for the eyeshadow. And all shadows were from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And now I'm going in doing just a kind of simple wing using my Inglot gel liner number 77. Nothing dramatic, because I really was trying to give you beauties a simple sleigh for Valentine's Day. Now let's clean up all of the fallout using e.l.f. makeup wipes. And now I'm taking this NYX eyeshadow in Champagne and just kind of brightening up that brow bone just a bit. This is my favorite for the brow bone. And now I'm not showing everything because I did a previous Valentine's Day full makeup sleigh. But I'm showing this because this is Fenty Beauty's foundation in number 440. And I wanted to see what it looked like on camera. The first time I used it, I mixed it with the 430. And then I used the 430 by itself. So I did everything off camera. The rest, I did the highlighting and contouring. And now I'm just setting the highlighter using Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I don't bake. So, of course, I'm just going to wipe that right off. And next is time to contour. I'm using my same. I need to find something else to kind of bronze my face, contour a little bit. This is the CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. And, of course, you know, we get everywhere. We place that contour all around the face to bring in color. And now I'm setting my entire face with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. And that was This Could Be You MAC's blush. And now I'm highlighting with giving a little bit of glow to the face with MAC's Cheeky Bronze. Now for the under eye, same color. Well, no, this is from Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I don't remember the color, but I will place it on here. I don't remember. I'm sorry. And now I'm deepening it just a bit with one of the darker shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm using, this is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And now I wanted to smoke that out just a little bit. And I'm using a black color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just bring a little bit more depth to the eyes since I used a white liner. And now this is my all-time favorite mascara. This is my Great Lash Mascara. I have tried several, but none compares. I'm just going to stick to that. And now I'm just kind of highlighting the inner tear ducts using the Makeup Addiction Holy Glow Volume 2 palette. And that shade is Pink Flamingo. And now I'm using Lime Crimes Blood Moon Liquid Matte Lipstick. Set it with All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray, and voila, simple sleigh. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Kisses. Bye.